singing over there. And I was like, oh yeah, and he's so scared, like, oh my gosh, we're gonna get scoldings. I was like, yes, and she was like, oh, because I was coming in and I was listening and I was thinking, is that me? I was like, wow, like the biggest compliment of my whole life. So this is a song, of course, made popular by Auntie Genoa. My mom used to grow up listening to her too, and of course passed this down to us. I'd like to leave you with this song today. Mahalo. So at the first, like, Yali, oh, they must be singing about a chief. But no. So the composer is saying, Yali no oi, ika nakao, like, you act like you a chief, and I'm just a commoner. Yeah? And I sit beneath you and wait for your every command. The second verse is, ino ho ako ba, ikuke na ula, like, I'm gonna sit over here and cook for you. Ikuwete ho ina, I'm like one waitress, like, you think I'm a waitress, like, hello.
What does that verse mean? Once again, how about a round of applause once again for Nakua. What's the new last name now? Makua. Oh, that is unbelievable. You cannot make that stuff up, yeah? That's great. All right, folks, this is what we're going to do today now.